Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 7th question in exercise 4.6. The sum of three numbers is x. If we multiply the third number by 3, the second number and add second number to it, we get 11. By adding the first and the third numbers, we get double of the second number. Represent algebraically and find the numbers using matrix method. So first let's define a variable so that we can convert this set of data into equations. So the first variable is going to be, or the number is going to be represented with the variable x. The second number will be represented with y and the third number with z. So the first statement is sum of three numbers is x. So x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Now for the next statement, if we multiply the third number by 3, so 3z, and add second number to it, so y plus 3z, we get 11. Now for the last statement, by adding the first and the third number, so x plus z is equal to the double of the second number, which is 2y. This alone we can rearrange and write as x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. Now we can form the matrix. So what is the process? The A matrix will be the coefficients of this variable. So it is 1, 1, 1. In this case, there is no x variable. So it is 0, 1, 3. And in the last case, it's 1, minus 2, 1. Now the x matrix will be the coefficient, the variable matrix. So x, y, and z. And B will be the constant matrix. So 6, 11, and 0. So according to matrix method, x will be equal to A inverse of B. So let's calculate the A inverse. The first step of inverse is to calculate the determinant. So determinant of A, it is 1 into 1 plus 6 minus 1 into minus 3 plus minus 1. This will be evaluated as 7 plus 3 minus 1. So determinant of A is equal to 9. So let's note it. Determinant of A is equal to 9. Now let's write out the cofactors. So cofactor A11 is going to be plus of 7. So then A12 is going to be equal to minus of minus 3. So it is plus 3. A13 is going to be equal to minus 1. Now let's write out A21. So A21 is going to be minus of 3, A22 is going to be equal to 0, A23 is 3. Now let's calculate A31. So A31 is going to be equal to plus of 2, so A32 is going to be minus of 3 and A33 is going to be equal to 1. Now let's write out the A inverse. The A inverse is the transpose of the adjoint matrix. So let's note that down. Is equal to A inverse of B, which means 1 by 9 of, let's write this transpose. So this is going to be 7, 3 and minus 1, minus 3, 0, 3, 2, minus 3 and 1. Now this has to be multiplied with the B matrix, which is 6, 11 and 0. First we will perform the matrix multiplication, after which we will divide by 9. So 1 by 9, this will be 7 into 6 is 42, minus 33 plus 0, then 18 plus 0 plus 0, minus 6 plus 33 plus 0. So let's evaluate. So 1 by 9 into 42 minus 33. So this is going to be equal to 9. This is 18. 33 minus 6. So this is 27. Now on comparison, we see that x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 2 and z will be equal to 3. Next video, we will find the solution to the 8th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.